We're excited to announce that HitPaw FotorPea has recently been updated. In this video, you'll quickly explore the key new features in HitPaw FotorPea version 5.4.0. And don't forget, click the free download link pinned in the description to try HitPaw FotorPea yourself. Without further ado, let's jump right in. 1. AI Chat Drawing Assistant. We've added a brand new AI Chat Drawing Assistant to the AI generator. You can find it on the third button here. Let me show you how to use it in detail. In the chat box, you can choose either agent mode or image generation mode. In agent mode, it can instantly generate creative inspiration based on simple text prompts. For example, I type, "a working cat in the office." Then click Generate, and in just a few seconds, it will transform your simple idea into a fully detailed and complex scene. Even better, you can re-edit the image anytime. Just click Edit, change the prompt, for example, "a ballet cat in the office," and resend it. Pretty amazing, right? If you want to view your history, just click this icon, and you'll be able to access your previous conversations and generated images. 2. Text Sharpener Model. This is a major upgrade for blurry documents. The new model is built into the image enhancer. First, we import a blurry text image. This image contains multiple languages, including English, Japanese, French, Korean, German, and Chinese. Now let's see how to make it clear. On the side menu, go to Generative, then click Enhancer. Here you'll find multiple AI models. This time, we'll use text enhancement. Click Generate. It will cost 50 credits, but it's absolutely worth it. This model isn't just sharpening blurry images like older ones. It actually uses AI to figure out what's in the image, then recreates the text. It's not perfect every time, but overall, it works really well. 3. 6x Ultra HD models and 8x Ultra HD models. This is another powerful upgrade for version 5.4. These models can perfectly restore facial details from highly compressed or low-quality images, bringing them back to stunning high resolution. AI Outpainting. The AI Canvas now supports a new outpainting feature. Go to the toolbox and open AI Canvas, then import your image. Click Outpainting, and you'll see several aspect ratio options. Just choose the one you need. Then hit Outpainting. The AI will automatically detect the subject and scene, extend the image details and background structure, and create a more complete and natural composition. That's all what I want to share. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. Try HitPaw FotorPea today using the free download link in the description.